जय महाकाली, जय महाकाली।
लास्ट ईयर नहीं लास्ट फरवरी को हुआ था, तो उसमें पार्टिसिपेट लिया था से हम लोग।
तो ये बाहर से पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए, कैसा लग रहा है आप लोग को यहाँ पूरे इंडिया से आए?
इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, अच्छा लग रहा है।
प्रैक्टिस किया पहले कभी प्रोफेशनल?
This is our first time to come to Mechuka. It's very adventure and very nice place. People here also very good and polite.
Did you ever participated in such kind of race in high altitude?
Yeah, last year we go into Ecuador in Adventure Race World Championship. I mean the third race on high altitude. Malaysia, I came from Kuala Lumpur.
How beautiful is Mechuka?
Mechuka very beautiful. The first, I excited about the mountain. The mountain I saw I have ice cap. My first experience saw ice cap. Ready for this because we ready training for that adventure, and the technical is quite moderate.
To me, before I come here to Mechuka, when we start filling the registration form, I never heard Mechuka before. Okay? When we know Mechuka, we search about Mechuka. Now when we arrive here, we see Mechuka very beautiful. We don't think that we are in India. We are something.
Country.
Yeah, we are a different country.
European country.
Yes, but here I think the challenge is different. The terrain also different. The weather also different. Total we came here 10 people.
10 people.
8 athletes and 2 team managers.
This leagues so far this is the first time also I'm at the Mechuka, and I never heard before about the Mechuka until the Adventure Race Asian Series was conducted at the Mechuka. So I like this place, very nice and very chill for me.
So we are here in Mechuka near Indo-Chin border, and these are the players who came from South India, and we will know about the Mechuka border adventure race, which will begin from tomorrow.
Bangalore. Yeah, Karnataka. This is our second race. First race was in Shimoga. That was in December. The first time we are facing this new terrain. We're excited for this.
मौसम एंड ऑल बहुत खूबसूरत है और
You also
बहुत
came from
प्यारा
Bangalore.
लग-
Bangalore.
yeah, I'm from Bangalore.
So regarding this race, did you ever participated in any other race?
No, this is my first race.
So how was your experience of coming to such a beautiful place, Mechuka?
Oh, I thought already race has been begin, and to reach here it's challenging. Already
the road is so.
had a lot of adventure. So looking forward to same for this race.
So what message you will give to, especially in context to Mechuka? How beautiful is this according to you?
On the scale of 10, I would say 10 out of 10, and I already plan a vacation in the morning. We are talking in the morning, and we already plan a vacation in the winter time because we
Mechuka.
It is really beautiful, as we can see all the snow-capped mountains here, and almost the last village towards the border on this side. We are really very excited, and it's my first adventure race. I'm sure it looks very adventurous, and looking forward to have more fun with my team as well.
it's a different experience. Yeah, different level. So like I also live in the hill area back in south. So this is completely different elevation. But I'm so excited that we have to give our best. So we are prepared. Yeah.
How beautiful is Mechuka?
We cannot express that. So beautiful.
Mechuka.
Yeah, this is awesome. This state itself is mountains everywhere. I was like overwhelmed, and I'm feeling like it is so beautiful that I'm getting over energy. Like before coming here, I had knee pains and everything. After landing here, everything vanished.
Laga, Mechu, how was your experience?
It has been amazing so far. We went for a small ride in the morning. It has been amazing, and the views. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And the weather is like suitable for the race. Hoping for the best. We are here to enjoy the race and enjoy the hospitality.
You brought your own equipment from south?
Cycle we rented from Guwahati, and we went for a test ride in the mountain.
Mechuka of Shiyomi district of Arunachal Pradesh, and Mechuka is gearing up for the border adventure race. Here we are interacting with the players, participants who came all across the country. They will participate tomorrow. This race will begin.
I'm from Kedarnath, Uttarakhand.
Kedarnath?
Yes.
So this is your first time in Mechuka?
Yeah, this is my first time. मतलब इसलिए ट्रेनिंग होती है, मोबिलिटी होती है, वो सारी इससे पहले हमने रेस से पहले प्रिपेयर किया था.
Okay, how you are feeling coming in Mechuka? It's a beautiful.
This is for the first time I'm coming to Mechuka and it's really beautiful and इसका लैंडस्केप काफी पसंद आया हम लोग को. So definitely I'm excited है इस particular race के.
Good morning everyone. इसके पहले एक रेस हुआ था जिसका नाम है नमा एडवेंचर, जो एक एडवेंचर रेस जो कर्नाटका में हुआ था, तो उसमें हमने पहली बार पार्टिसिपेट किया था, जिसमें हम दो साथ में थे. तो ये एज अ 4 टीम हमारा पहली बार है मेचुका में और काफी अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ. जी, हम वो जो मेचुका टॉप दिख रहा है आपको, वहाँ पर गए थे रात इवनिंग को, हाँ, ट्रैक करने ऐसे एक्लिमेटाइजेशन हाइक के लिए. और वहां से जब हमने पूरा मेचुका का टाउन देखा, इतना बड़ा और उसमें नदी बहते हुए, काफी सुंदर लग रहा था. और मतलब ये समझना है कि the fact that we are so close to China than our own place was such a fascinating thing to understand. So it was really beautiful to spend time here. Yeah. Just waiting to get it fixed and get started for tomorrow.
What is your experience to come by such a road?
Well, we have been working in the outdoors for quite some time now and have traveled through these kind of roads, but the landscape here and the kind of roads here, it's a little hard to imagine how they would have, cut the roads, and the way we actually stuck in the landslide for almost 2 days at the same place.
I'm finding it very very beautiful. इतना सुंदर है ये जगह. हम हमारा टीममेट ने बोला जैसा हम नीचे आ रहे उस नदी के उस पार को कुछ घर देखा, घर का माहौल देखा, मतलब घर के आसपास इतना चीज लाइक बेसिकली वो लोकल वेजीज और उनका ग्रेन्स ग्रो कर रहे हैं, वो घर के आसपास ही है. वो लोग खेती में काम कर रहे हैं और घर इतना सुंदर है, मुझे लग रहा है स्विट्जरलैंड का इक्वली,
स्विट्जरलैंड के
बराबर सच में.
रेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी इतने हाई एल्टीट्यूड में आप लोग को ऑक्सीजन की?
हम प्रॉब्लम तो सबको आएगी क्योंकि शायद रेस हाई एल्टीट्यूड पे हो और नीचे तो मेहनत तो करना पड़ेगा, सबको तकलीफ भी आ जाएगा, बट हाई एल्टीट्यूड के ज्यादा पॉसिबिलिटीज है तकलीफ होने के लिए और लाइक ज्यादा मेहनत भी करना पड़ेगा. एक चीज है हमारा एडवांटेज, हम चारों लोग हाई एल्टीट्यूड में पहले से काम कर रहे हैं, सो इसके वजह से हम सोच रहे हैं और माउंटेन्स का भी दुआ रहे हैं.
अच्छा लगा, कितने सारे ट्राइब्स हैं, अलग अलग उनके लैंग्वेजेस है, उनके पोशाक अलग अलग टाइप के हैं, और जो यहाँ के लोग हैं बहुत ही वार्म है, बहुत फ्रेंडली है. तो उन्होंने भी हमारे साथ बहुत कुछ शेयर किया है कि कैसे उनका जीवन रहता है. आलो में थे हम लोग, अभी मेचुका में आए. तो यहाँ का जो बुद्धिस्ट कल्चर है, वाइब्स है, फिर क्रिश्चियन यहाँ पर एक चर्च है, सब कुछ अच्छा लगा. हम लोग ऊपर भी गए थे, जैसे कविना ने बोला,
बंकर्स देखे आप?
बंकर भी देखे, हाँ, वो देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा कि यहाँ पर एक टाइम पे पूरी आर्मी जमा हो रखी थी, और पर यहाँ पर अभी जो महसूस हो रहा है बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं है, एकदम शांत है, एकदम पीसफुल है. कोई भी लोग यहाँ पर आएंगे तो उनको बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा.
Now we are going to interact with the team of Mahakali. They are the participants who will participate. They came from Uttarakhand and different parts of India. This Mahakali, did you ever won any other race?
So Team Mahakali, so there is a river which flows through Nepal and India. So since we have a teammate from Nepal and they're from India, so we decided to name it Mahakali.
So in different events you participated?
This is our first event together.
Like बहुत सुंदर है, हर जगह से beauty around, like all around the area, and we had a good experience here, good food, good people, rich culture here. So we had a very good, wonderful time here, and we have a wonderful time here. The team यहाँ पे participate कर रहे हैं. इससे पहले और events में किया है, but वो different है, जैसे running event है, cycling event है, but as a team हम पहली बार event.
कैसे मैम आपको इसकी नॉलेज मिली यहाँ पे हो रही है, कैसे प्रमोशन किसने किया?
एक्चुअली हमारा तो सब टीम कैप्टन, तो सब इन्होंने बताया. देन वी गॉट टू नो फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पीपल अराउंड अस, क्योंकि और भी टीममेट्स हैं जो इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, तो वी गॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम देयर. नहीं, एक्चुअली हम जानते हैं, हम खुद नॉट मतलब उत्तराखंड से हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है देखा है इसके बारे में, लेकिन हाँ डीप बहुत सारे स्टेट्स और इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स और उन सब के बारे में नहीं जानते, पर अरुणाचल के बारे में ऑलरेडी, सेवन सिस्टर्स के बारे में ऑलरेडी जानते हैं। तो यहाँ आके इट्स अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि ऑल ओवर इंडिया हर जगह पे अगर जाते तो वी गेट टू नो अबाउट द डिफरेंट वेजिटेशन, डिफरेंट लाइक नेचर है, टेरेन है, सब कुछ डिफरेंट है। तो यहाँ ऑलरेडी इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, सो वी आर proud Indian, so that's why. So it's beautiful already.
The experience is good coming to Mexico. I myself and some of us, we live in the north and we live in the western Himalayas. So we are used to of this terrain, but here it's a little different than the other Himalayas on the other side. It's more tropical, so landscape is very different than that part. So which is something really new for us to see. The experience has been good. We all individually have been part of many different races. But that's why we decided to come together as a team and take part in this.
मेचुका कैसा लगा?
It's very beautiful. It's so beautiful. I compare it with Nepal. And greenery, the snow-capped mountains, everything, and the people culture. Yeah, it's very beautiful. And it's different than other part of India, so you should come and visit once.
So we are here in Mechuka of Triyomi district of Arunachal Pradesh, and now we are interacting with the local natives of Arunachal Pradesh. They came all over from zero. It's in Lower Subansiri district of Arunachal Pradesh. They came here to participate in this adventure race.
हम कई पंजर से है डिस्ट्रिक्ट, और ये लोग, ये 3 लवर्स हैं।
हम 0 से है। हाँ जी।
कैसा लगा मैम? मेचुका आते रहते हैं आप लोग, तो कितना अच्छा लगता है, इतनी बड़ी इंटरनेशनल इवेंट हो रही है।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, ये तो मेरा सेकंड टाइम है, तो ये सेकंड टाइम आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और बहुत बड़ा नेशनल लेवल हो रहा है, तो और मजा आ रहा है।
मेचुका काफी सुंदर है, जीरो से मिलता जुलता है, ये सेकंड टाइम पार्टिसिपेट करने आया है।
क्या हो गया? क्या जीतने का उम्मीद है? आप लोग प्रोफेशनल है, ट्रेनिंग करते हैं कभी?
वो प्रोफेशनल तो नहीं है हम लोग, ये बस ये शुरू है ना, ये
इवन भी उधर से इतना दूर से आए हैं, तो हम लोग वही करना पड़ेगा कि जीतने के लिए। हाँ जी, हम लोग अपना ट्राई बेस्ट करें।
We are here in Mechuka of Triyomi district of Arunachal Pradesh, and today we are going to interact with Minister RWD Education and Tourism, Pasang Dojisona, who is a local MLA of Mechuka, Kato Assembly Constituency.
नहीं, दिस इज अ वेरी बिग इवेंट, तो ऑब्वियसली विजिबिलिटीज होगा। आप लोग भी आया है, यू मस्ट बी सीन द नंबर्स ऑफ मीडिया पीपल हैव कम, विल बेनिफिट अस अ लॉट इन प्रमोटिंग द प्लेस। इसी का एक कोशिश है कि मेचुका इतना सुंदर जगह है, पोटेंशियल बहुत है, तो लोगों तक दिखना चाहिए कि मेचुका का पोटेंशियल क्या है, तो इसी के लिए इवेंट है, चल रहा है। एंड इट्स 3rd नेशनल एडवेंचर रेसिंग चैंपियनशिप हेल्ड इन मेचुका।
आप क्या कहेंगे, कितनी आगे सर, पोटेंशियल कितनी है मेचुका में?
मेचुका का पोटेंशियल तो अनलिमिटेड है ना, सिर्फ एक्सप्लोर करना है, इसके बाद उसको फुल पोटेंशियल को हमको यूटिलाइज करना है। तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने प्रपोजल्स भी काफ़ी दिया है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को, तो उसके मुताबिक अगर उसको करेंगे तो हमारे यहाँ जो टूरिस्ट आता है उसके लिए और एक्टिविटीज़ एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू, तो वो हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, और भी काफ़ी करना है, क्योंकि देयर इज नो लिमिट टू इम्प्रूवमेंट। तो करेंगे जितना होगा, तो उसमें हमारा टूरिस्ट के लिए भी फ़ायदा है, लोकल इकोनॉमी के लिए भी फ़ायदा है। तो अब तो फिर भी जितना है उसमें भी काफ़ी टूरिस्ट तो आ रहा है, बट वी वांट दैट वी शुड ग्रो मोर, और जितना भी नीच सेक्शन है उसको भी हम लोग कैटर कर पाएंगे, और प्लस माइस टूरिज्म को भी हम लोग कैटर कर पाएंगे, वो कोशिश है। कन्वेंशन सेंटर वगैरह भी बना रहे हैं हम लोग, और भी काफ़ी एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए हम लोग कुछ तैयारी कर रहे हैं इन होलिस्टिक मैनर, ताकि हमारा जो टूरिस्ट आ रहा है तो हर तरह के टूरिस्ट को यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ मिले।
How was the experience coming to Mechuka?
So Mechuka, this is the first time coming here, and the place here is absolutely stunning. So we are looking forward, to know more, since this race gives us a different view about the land here. So we are waiting for that.
Sir, your team always used to win.
Yes.
So this time you are expecting, hoping for the best to win.
We are hoping for the best. I hope the best team wins.
Okay, ma'am, how was the experience Mechuka regarding this? Mechuka कैसा लगा?
मेचुका बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत बहुत सुंदर है, और यहाँ के लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं। सबसे पहले तो वंस वी लैंड हियर, इट वाज लाइक कि like we always, all of us was lost in the beauty of the Minchika. Like it's like in the पूरा सब कुछ इतना travel करने के बाद once you land in a very beautiful place, it feels very nice. And
रोड में प्रॉब्लम आई
yeah, there was an off road. है लेकिन बहुत मतलब proper road नहीं है.
तो ये विनिंग कल जीत पाएंगे आप लोग की टीम में से जैसे हर बार जीतते हैं
We are hoping for the best. We trying hard to get
लास्ट टाइम
podium.
कौन से मेडल जीते आपने कौन से पार्टिसिपेट
We
किया
were the Shimoga gold medalist for
Which
the
one?
Shimoga race
Shimoga.
gold medalist. That's what we are here. It's a national.
यहाँ हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी आपको
नहीं, nobody has
Health
the
issue.
nobody has.
सर हाउ वाज एक्सपीरियंस कैसा लगा मैच का
Mechuka was really good. The traveling part was an actual challenge. I think that was the first part of getting into the race, and again, this would be the final challenge for us, and we are all ready for it.
so did you ever participated like in other such type of
No, no.
Terrain-
This is my
terrain-
first time coming to
this terrain.
yes, high altitude place.
first time you are hoping for the best to win
Yeah, definitely.
how was the experience of Mechuka according to you
I know I've heard the Menchika is the Switzerland of India, and the landscape proves that. Looking at the mountains in the background and being in a huge meadow, I think the terrain is beautiful. We're hoping for the best, and we want to see what the terrain has to offer for the adventure.
so again this time you will achieve milestone by winning this race marathon
Definitely, why not?
your name sir
Why not?
So we guys, Team Skyrunners have been doing adventure racing for past 5-7 years, 37 years. So it's our what to say, defending champion. Like we are the champions, former champion. So I want to introduce my team. So this is our team captain Santosh Gowda. So our team Lippy, she is from Assam. This is Yash, and my name is Brady. I am from Tamil Nadu. So each one is from different parts of India, from northeast to south to everywhere. So yeah, we are feeling really awesome with the tourism department, which is helping and putting more efforts in making this event happen really nice.
how was the experience coming to Mechuka how beautiful is Mechuka according to you
It's like it's too tiring. So it's like it almost took 36 hours for us to come from there, even though we took a flight.
you faced the blockade
Yeah, like a short blockage on the way. So yeah, it's very tough
how was the
journey.
experience how beautiful is Mechuka according to you
It was out of our expectations because we knew that the northeast is beautiful, but coming here it was a different world. We took off roads, everything was there, but when we reached here, it was a completely different landscape. A flat land covered with mountains, hills all over the place. So it was a amazing experience, and we found it very beautiful.
so did you ever participated in such an difficult terrain here
Yeah, not here, but we have experience in participating in another part of our country, that's in Himachal. So we all are trail runners. So we are now participating in this adventure race. So
you're hoping to win tomorrow
yeah, we are hoping to win.
so ma'am how was the experience especially in context to Mechuka
See, I have been here like maybe 10 years ago when I was studying in Dibrugarh. So it's very nice, but now this time when I came here, I have seen lots of development. Just we have changed here, but and the roads are. I feel like it's better. If people still saying that it's not good, but for me, I feel very better. Like very nice.
so you are hoping to win tomorrow any member
It's no. If
Yeah,
we win,
yeah.
we have to win as a team actually.
team.
Yeah. So
you ever
fingers crossed.
participated in such a
Yeah. I've been doing adventure racing from last I think 6 years. So we have been participated in Asia Pacific Asian Championship for Adventure Racing in Philippines. It was in 2023. So nice.
how was the experience like Mechuka
Yeah,
according to you
so
how beautiful
I think firstly, I think thanks to Mechuka and Arunachal Tourism for hosting this event at this beautiful location, and we never expected. I think the Mechuka is this beautiful. After reaching that, we got like the landscape is out of the world. So I think that's the best part of the adventure racing, where we get to see different kind of a landscape, and Mechuka is really beautiful. And I think the tourism is supporting very nicely, and they've been taking care of us from the day one, from the day we landed. So they've been really nice, and they've been taking care at each part, so to make sure that we're comfortably landing, and then we're accommodating, and even with respect to the food also. And with respect to us, so we are Skyrunners, so we've been racing, adventure racing from last 7 years, and we have also we have been Asia's number one ranked team from last 3 years. So this year we have number 2 teams, and we are also the former champions of this national championship, which happened in Chikmagalur, Karnataka.
You are hoping to win tomorrow.
Yes, definitely. We have put on all our hard work and our training, so definitely we are hoping to win tomorrow.
Brought your own equipment from, or you have hired from?
No, most of the equipment which we got it all from our own equipment, because we've been racing and we've been we have that experience of how to do the adventure racing, what are all the equipment that we have to bring. So we have our own equipment that we got it from Bangalore to here.
Your name?
Santosh Gowda.